Hello and welcome to Comet Exchange Tutorials. This is Nathaniel. I am actually the owner and webmaster of www.cometexchange.org, and today I'm going to be showing you how to update your profile and how to enter your gallery URLs into your profile so that the links will show up on the website. If we go to the main page of the Comet Exchange, you can see up here near the top it says DA users, EW users, and EWL users. This stands for DeviantArt, Elfwood, and Elfwood library users. If you click on one of those, it takes you to a page like this where it shows you the URLs of our various members, and it shows them randomly on the page. In order to get your URL to show up on one of these pages, once you've signed up, it's fairly simple. We just have to enter that into your profile. And while we're there, I'll show you how to update other things as well. So in order to do that, you go into Site Admin or into the login if you're not already logged in. We just click on that, and it takes us to this page. And as you can see, we can modify some stuff here at first. Let's see, you can change the color of this your little admin area, which is actually fairly useless. You can let's see, enter some information. I've set up a test account just for this purpose. My name is Testerson, and by default your nickname is automatically your username that you used to log in, but I want my nickname to be Testy. Now, one thing that you'll notice is that when you go to this drop down here, that it now shows, it only shows test there. This is display name publicly as, which means, for instance, if you were to make a comment on a page or a post in the forum, that this is what your name would show up as. Currently, it only shows up as the username. You can also choose to show first name, first name and last name, or your nickname there. And but for now, it won't let you, and that's because it doesn't know it's there yet. So let's keep going. All right, email. I can change the email if I wanted to. I'm going to leave it the same for now, though. I can change the website. Let's see, cometexchange.org. And you can also put in your chat client usernames right there. Let's see, if we scroll down, we can see that we can enter some biographical info, write some stuff about yourself, which is actually fairly useless at the moment since you're the only one that can see them. There may be an option in the future where others will be able to view your particular profile, but for now, not so much. Let's see what else. New password, or you can update your password, change your password, and this little thing down here will show you whether or not your password's any good. If we scroll all the way down to the bottom, we can see URLs. In the URL section, we've got a section for Elfwood URL, Elfwood library URL, and DeviantArt URL. If we click in here, we can type, and I've got some already saved just to make this quick. And same here, and this one I'm going to put testy.deviantart so that we can see that show up. Let's see, so I hit update profile, and that's pretty much all there really is to editing your profile. Once this page loads, there it goes. Everything should work just fine. And if we scroll down, as you can see here, we now have the option of choosing our display name to be our username, no, this is the nickname, first name, and first name, last name, first name. So I want mine to show up as Testy. Okay. And then in order to get that to stick, you would have to hit update profile again. Here's another little thing, email preferences. You can choose to accept notifications when we make a new post to the website, which is fairly useful in keeping yourself up to date on the goings-on of the Comet Exchange. I don't know what that second one's for. I guess we'll find out. And anyway, so if we go back here and we refresh DA users, we should be able to find our little test. Not there. Let's scroll down. Maybe it was there. Ah, you know what? It was right at the top and I missed it. There it is. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Updating your profile is a fairly simple and easy thing to do. Here's one little thing. Using the visual editor when writing. You probably won't run into that except for in the, well, you know, you'll run into it in the forums and in the comments. When you're writing comments or writing posts in the forum, this should decide whether or not you're going to use the visual editor as opposed to the HTML editor. By default, I would go ahead and leave that on, since most people will have absolutely no use for HTML editing in those fields. And I think that pretty much sums it up. Thank you for joining the comment exchange. Hope you have a lot of fun. Get out there and comment back.